snooze.
But I heard them they're using that the news about it is depending from their research.
Yeah, maybe
So they
have
rely.
you ever heard about Monsanto? Monsanto is a company in America, which is trying to make a lot of people around the world become sick in the sick slowly sick because it make genetic food like that, so it's not good.
Yeah, yeah. So that instantly to make it dangerous, harmless to people.
All right, thank you. All right, thank you.
Yeah,
So, would you mind pick somebody else?
Really?
Yeah, Mr. Prayoga,
Anyone?
and then Rwanda, Mr. Zakir, Mr. Saipul maybe.